Hey guys, quick review on a cool pair of scissors. These scissors are Mizutani, of course, and they are the Moody hair, stuff in Moody. And these scissors today that I was going to be showing you guys are, these ones are going to be in rose gold. And so look, these are $1,000. These are an almighty precision shear, so used for precision. These scissors have the highest and most detailed standards for everything from materials used, handle position, to the fitting of the blade. Aside the sleek look, also has added benefit of providing a non-slip cutting experience designed by Stephen Moody. I also want to add to that and say, yes, it has a non-slip because of the design of Stephen Moody. Also, nano powdered metal really grips the hair, so that gives you another part of the grip. Since Steve Moody left his position as a international executive director of Vidal Sassoon in 2003, took his current position as the director of Coty Professional Wella and OPI, a global education academy dean. Stefan's skills have achieved international renown and are backed by peerless record experience and achievements. Guys, he's good. His current position is also proof of his stature in this field. The starting point of cutting hair or improving your hair cutting skills is the precise handling, mastery of your scissors. I agree. You got to handle those scissors well. Look, here's a design note really quick on these scissors, just to kind of give you, again, these are the Stephen Moody shears made by Mizutani. These are in rose gold. They look pink. These are $1,000. And, a little design note on these. The blade is configured for this model of the Pencil model. The handle is slim. It's a slim grip handle with a semi-deep couture and thumb ring, and then ultimate precision and back. There's another thing with these. The tang on there is very nice, and it's also removable. So if you look at this tang, I'm not going to unscrew it because I don't want it to start coming loose. And you can, though. It could unscrew. And so that'd be cool if they offered new tangs at some point. But look at that. These are a very awesome pair of scissors. Just wanted to shout these scissors out. And if you guys want to buy a pair, go to Instagram, Thomas Baca Barber. Send me a direct message. Message me on YouTube. Email me, bacathomas@gmail.com. Call the shop at 505-508-4578 if you want to buy any pair of scissors. I have all of them. And so, hey guys, thank you for watching the video. These are the scissors. Let me really quick show you. They also come in a box like this. With all of the information about the scissor here. So Acro S Moody Pink 5.5. They're in rose gold, guys. They just pink is easy to say. This tells you about the manual for the scissors. Scissors are extremely sharp. Tells you about the nano powdered metal. You'll get that paperwork with it. It comes in this really nice case. It also comes with a sheath, which I've taken out because I use it to transport the scissors. And then it comes in one of these custom boxes with Stephen Moody's name on there. And that's pretty cool. The other ones just come in an orange like the front here. So guys, hey, if you like those scissors, let me know. If leave a comment. Let me know in the comments what scissors you guys like and what brands you guys use. All right, appreciate you guys. Thank you.